Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Crypto. First, you'll need to open a Fidelity Crypto account. This involves a quick online application and linking your bank account for seamless transactions. You'll also complete a simple identity verification process, which helps keep your investments secure and compliant with regulations. It's a straightforward process designed to get you trading digital assets quickly and safely. Once your account is set up, funding is simple. You can transfer cash directly from your linked bank account into your Fidelity Crypto balance. Then, you're ready to explore the cryptocurrencies available, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. When you're ready to trade, you can place buy or sell orders, choosing between market orders for immediate execution or limit orders to set your desired price. It's designed for clear and efficient trading. Managing your crypto portfolio with Fidelity is intuitive. You can easily monitor all your cryptocurrency holdings and track their performance over time. Regularly review your transaction history and account statements to stay on top of your activity. For added convenience, set up price alerts to receive notifications about significant market movements, helping you make timely decisions. This keeps you informed and in control of your investments. Fidelity Crypto prioritizes the security of your digital assets. Always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection on your account. Should you have any questions or encounter technical issues, dedicated customer support is readily available to assist you. Fidelity employs robust security measures to safeguard your investments, giving you peace of mind while you navigate the crypto market. Your security is a top priority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.